Good evening, guys. So tonight we've come to an old abandoned farmhouse. The date on it is 1695, so it's got some real age to it. Proper time capsule as well, this one is. Don't know much more about the history. I think there has been, people have died, not in here possibly, but...
Possibly here, we don't know.
Yeah, the old owners, have passed on now. So, but tonight we're joined by the fabulous Adrian and Mike from Real Evidence.
Good evening.
Hello.
So please go over to them, guys, check out the channel and give them a good subscribe. Their half of the video as well will be available soon. But yeah, we're going to get into this one, guys.
Let's get straight into it.
Okay guys, so we've come into the kitchen. As you can see, it is a bit of a mess in here. Lots of stuff still left behind. Old TVs, there's an old Arga there.
Pants.
But yeah, this has got the most room to fit us all in. So we're going to start in here, have a call out as we always do, and see if we can get some activity. So James, you want to do the honours, or Rhiannon?
Yeah, I'll do the first call out. So good evening, spirits of this amazing farmhouse. If there is anyone here with us tonight, maybe one of the past owners or someone who lived here, give us a clear knock.
Me rubbing my bag on the door, sorry.
Can you copy this? Can you hear that clock?
Yeah, I think it's that little kind of gold coloured one on the mantelpiece, no?
There's one.
There might be a couple.
Yeah, it's this one here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. There's a clock next to the imperial lever on the stairs.
Okay, so we've been here for probably a couple of hours nearly.
Yeah, I'd say
Already?
so, yeah.
Having an explore, looking at all your things. And we've not heard anything really untoward. I thought I heard a moaning voice. So if you could come forward and do that again for us, or perhaps start making some distinctive noises for us, we'd really appreciate that.
At your tummy?
No.
I didn't hear anything.
Thought it come from down here. It was like a very quiet kind of noise sort of thing.
Oh, really?
Like just go down here, just see if there's any gaps where wind could get in.
Quite possibly.
Yeah, there is a window.
Yeah.
And the roof's seen better days, so it could have just been a gust of wind.
Yeah, I mean the wind has picked up in the last half an hour, so we're going to have to take that into account.
At least I got to see down here. Something drew me down here.
There's a lot of jars and stuff.
There
They're
is.
kept in
Yeah.
them, but it's strange.
Sarson's pickled egg.
Shrunken heads in there.
Oh,
There's plenty of things in this room that you could move for us, throw at us. Seems to have gone eerily quiet. Even the wind, you can't hear the wind anymore.
No, which is a good thing.
Yeah, this is a good thing.
Yeah, I'll step from behind the fridge or whatever it is.
please try and come forward if you can and do something for us to show us that you're here.
Yeah, we don't mean you any harm by being here. We do just want to try and communicate with you and get to know you and prove there is life after death. So we don't pose a threat to you. If you can hear my voice and you don't want us here, can you make yourself known, please? And we'll leave you in peace.
I can hear that clock now.
Mm-hmm.
Can you?
Yeah.
Can't hear it. I haven't heard it at all since we've been here.
No, me neither.
I'll show you in a minute because you're going to hear it up close when we head upstairs a bit later.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering if that's a date behind Adrian up there on the wall, or if it's just the way the paint's peeled. It looks like a...
the paint's peeled.
Yeah. Thought
Very
it was.
much.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
From over here, it looked like
does look
17
like-
and then a little
Yeah.
dash.
Oh, yeah,
and-
it does,
A little bit, yeah.
yeah.
Oh, when you look at it, it looks like it starts to say demon.
There's always one of these farmhouses.
Mhm.
So we have been here for a while now, and even though there's 4 of us, there's no need to be intimidated or afraid or scared. We're not here to cause you any harm. We're just here to try and communicate with you, if you're here. If you could do something that would probably scare us, then that would be very good. Because I've not actually felt scared for a couple of weeks now.
That's just my tummy that time.
For a reasonable size house, it's quite a small kitchen.
Mm.
Yeah.
It's just a shame there's a load of stuff over here. Like I've just noticed, like this old table here, and there's like a really, you can just see the arms of this chair here. Looks really old.
I keep seeing, like, not these ones, but I keep seeing the bottom end of like boots sticking out in different places
Yeah.
and thinking, oh, is there a body connected underneath all the stuff that's left?
The boot starts moving.
Yeah. It's kicking away.
Yeah.
So we're going to all introduce ourselves now, and then that might make you feel a bit more comfortable. So my name's James.
My name's Rianne.
My name's Adrian.
And my name's Michael.
So now you know all our names. Can you make a noise trying to communicate with us, please? There was some tap through there,
Yeah,
but I think
that's
the wind
Yeah.
picked up, in fairness,
Yeah.
at that exact point.
And again.
I could feel the breeze on the back of my hand, so
Yeah.
I knew it was like... Because there's quite a few well, not open windows, but
Yeah.
loose
Mhm.
windows, let's
Mm.
say.
The one on the other side,
Mm.
and then another end of that front room. I think it's boarded up, but the window's broken.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You hear the wind coming through.
Okay, so spirits, if you are here, we've come into a different room now.
I think this would have been like a living room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we are stood in your living room and you can hear me, can you make yourself be known, please? Maybe bang on the wall.
That is ticking as well, right?
Yeah, it'll be. Oh, it's one on the floor down here.
Oh.
How many
Yeah,
clocks do
I
they
know.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's all water down here, so it's definitely one of the radiators, so I can breathe easier. I don't have to throw my boots away. As Mike said earlier, I can see a lot of old items of yours left behind. If you could perhaps try and move something anywhere in this house where you are, be a good way for you to communicate with us. We just need any sign at all that we're not alone here.
I can hear clocks ticking now.
say?
You got the one on the stairs.
Just hear it.
Is that like a pack of playing cards
Yeah.
in a wallet there? That
Yeah,
looks
yeah.
amazing. I'm just looking over at that.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know how old they are, but they're in good condition.
Yeah.
They got pictures of I don't know what pictures are on the backs of them. No. Bridlington. I think they're all the same actually.
And on the
Yeah,
other
so-
side, they've got the
Yeah,
so they are proper
proper cards.
playing cards. They're impressive. They are.
Yeah,
Possibly personalised to the area if it's
maybe.
Bridlington or something.
Yeah, 2 sets,
Mm.
different colours.
And then a million diaries everywhere.
Yeah,
There's doors literally everywhere.
diaries and clocks. I bet they weren't late for anything. Yeah?
No.
So as you can see, we're not here to do any harm to your house or any of your things. We're just interested in trying to make contact with you if that's possible. If you still reside here, we'd love you to come forward and try and communicate with us in some way.
That was my tummy then, if you'd like.
I didn't hear
Sorry.
anything.
You heard that as well, didn't you?
I didn't hear it.
I thought he was talking then.
Oh, really? Oh. Perhaps you could come and talk to us. Tell us your name.
Well, it's starting. Past me dinner time, that's why. Should have bought a snack.
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you what that sounded like? It sounded like Tegan at work going, what?
It literally stinks in here.
Mm.
Mm.
All I can hear is that ticking clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is that your bag on there?
Right, it might be.
That is.
Yeah, must have been.
Well, we should leave the smelly room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the smelly room was run its course.
James was the first one to go, yeah, let's get out. Stood in the fluid.
I'm still unsure what's down there. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we're all going to go into night vision, and then we're going to split off from this landing area into different bedrooms. Whether we go, we've only got 3 bedrooms, haven't we? So
Yeah.
we'll probably do teams in there and then maybe switch it around or something. So yeah, but we're going to go lights out just to see if it adds to the atmosphere at all.
What we do it?
We'll just take
I was
it
waiting
turns
for you.
calling out.
Okay,
Just-
I'll start. She's done it for ages in the quiet, just not doing anything. Okay, so we've come upstairs to the first floor. We're in the dark now, as you've probably noticed. If that makes a difference, maybe you feel safer in the dark for some peculiar reason.
Oh, I don't.
No. But we'd really like you to come forward, if you can, at some point this evening and communicate with us. Could you bang on something? That was my foot. Could you touch one of us? Throw something at us? Something significant that we can tell that it's you that's trying to communicate with us, and only you.
We've come upstairs now into your bedroom. You might find that a bit invasive, but we're only here to communicate with someone, to prove that there's life after death. Can you give us any sign at all, please? And that's just the window behind me, right?
Yeah.
You copy this?
What was that?
I didn't hear anything through. Well, I heard like on the bed it just sounded like a little bit of rustling, but I just put it down to possibly the wind getting in.
Maybe. Just trying to think where I put the K2 meter.
So I'm just setting up a REM pod on the landing, just because it's very quiet at the moment. I just heard the noise outside, but I think it was just a car going past. So yeah, I'm just going to set up a REM pod on the landing. Someone downstairs?
Huh? No. We're all up here, why?
Just when I've put this REM pod down, I'm sure I've just heard movement down there.
Really?
Yeah,
Let's investigate.
yeah. I'm just going to have a quick look. I was just going to nip down and get my bag anyway, and then I thought, I didn't know if you'd left some bags down there. Hello? I reckon it's the blinking clock again. The clock's got me.
It's probably either the clock or, you know, the first room that we went into,
Yeah.
Yeah.
when it's windy, there's like flappy wallpaper.
Yeah. Not far from the window.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it could be that.
If you are here, can you touch James, please? He's downstairs on his own.
Yeah.
You make him jump.
Yeah.
And then when he comes up, push him down the stairs.
put his trousers down so he trips up on his way up.
No, he's still in one piece.
What had he said? I'll be able to hear back on these anyway. That's the good thing about him.
Okay, so we've come into this amazing bedroom. Probably one of the most impressive bedrooms that we've been in an abandoned building. Everything's still left here as it was that when you last lived here. What was that? Is that the window behind me?
I think so. That's what it sounded like.
Yeah.
Curtains are amazing.
Yeah.
If that was someone trying to communicate though, maybe knocking on the bedside cabinet or cupboard next to the bed. Can you do it again now, please?
Every time someone says that, I always get, can they knock?
Oh dear.
Always, all the time.
It gets in your brain, does it?
It does.
Can you give us another clear knock?
Yeah, that was the wind.
Yeah, you can
that
tell
one there?
it's when.
Wind and, huh?
Do that one there.
Yeah, the wind hitting the window.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like a tapping on it.
Yeah.
Is that you?
No.
Did you hear a tap behind you then?
No,
See, I thought I did, but it might have just been you moving then, possibly.
possibly. Probably.
Yeah. That was better.
What was
It's that door.
Is that the door, mate?
To
Oh,
to the stairs.
do you reckon? The one
Yeah.
downstairs, like?
The one here, I can see it moving.
Yes. Oh. Thought we had something then. I thought it was like a creak, like.
Yeah.
So we're not sure what else to ask you, to be honest. We've been calling out for over an hour now and nothing to indicate you're here. Perhaps you can move something on your dresser. You could try throw something at us. Or just tell us to leave. As loud as you can.
Maybe try and move your favourite item. And that can be anywhere in this room.
From what we've seen around the house, we can tell you've got a love for horses. If that's the case, do you want to communicate with us about the horses? Give us a knock or a neigh.
You all do.
Yeah. My family actually, or I was going to say grew up in this area, but some of my ancestors used to live around here. So it's nice to come back to where my family originated from. So that might give you some familiar feeling. This is one place that I'll say I don't feel like there's absolutely anything here at all.
Yeah, it doesn't seem that way, does it?
No.
I mean, I wouldn't want to stay here alone on my own
No.
for a night.
No, spend the night under those covers there.
Yeah, because it is quite creepy. But
Yeah,
yeah, I'm not getting any vibes here, if I'm honest.
no.
No.
But then if we'd have had some kind of a bit of activity,
Then
Yeah.
give us the vibe.
it'd be
Yeah,
a bit
yeah.
different. But whereas we've had absolutely nothing, and we have been here for a good while.
Yeah.
Just, like I say, it just doesn't feel.
No. Sometimes with these places, it's just amazing to see them, and that's
Definitely.
Mm-hmm.
It was
yeah,
a pleasant surprise to see so much stuff left in it.
Yeah.
definitely.
I mean, yeah, it's got to be getting on for nearly 3 hours.
Yeah.
We've been here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We're about
Um,
2.5,
Yeah.
2:15. Yeah.
And we haven't had anything.
No.
do you think it's worth doing the attic?
I think up there, it's just all of us being on that weak floor.
Yeah.
Probably isn't worth it.
Yeah. Yeah, you're
If-
probably right.
If we'd got knocks from above,
Yes.
I would say yes, but last thing we
Or-
want is one of us falling through the floor.
Or maybe one of us do a lone challenge up there.
Are you nominating yourself, Rhiannon?
I
Or?
mean, I wasn't going to.
I think you did that.
Never mind.
I've seen you do plenty of alone challenges before.
Yeah. You can go up, or I don't mind going up, or whoever. Just do 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, one of you two guys can do it then.
Yeah.
Go down,
Yeah.
have a 5-minute break, or a
Yeah.
10-minute break.
I won't leave the camera in here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Good
Mhm.
idea.
I think.
Right, guys, so I'm going to go do a lone challenge now up in the loft, and everyone else is heading downstairs for a break. I've set up a locked off camera in here, in this bedroom, so just get the angle a bit better on that. Yeah, it should be alright like that.
Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, James. We'll see you next time.
Yeah. See you soon. So as you can see, lads from Real Evidence and Rihanna just heading down, and I'm going to go up to the attic. Oh. So as you can see up here, there's no rooms as such, it's just a storage area. An old Express Star paper there from, if that's right, that is the oldest newspaper ever. I know, established 1874. I can't see a date. I know, 1952. Wow, that's old. That's just my tummy. So just some old belongings, an old kind of house there. There's an old lantern there. She's very impressive. And then in this room, got an old saddle set in a bird cage. So I'm going to get the lights out. Okay, spirits. I'm all alone in the loft now. To your house. Can see some of your prized possessions were up here. if you are here with me now, can you copy this? I can hear the wind. There's a rattle over there, but that's a familiar sound tonight because it's the old window frames rattling. So we believe we're the first group of people to come here to try and communicate with the past residents of the house. When we do, or go around to see if we can communicate with other people that have passed away, we ask them to knock for us, move things, interact with the machines that we bring. So you may have never done that before. So I'm just asking you now, please, can you give me just one sign that there is still someone here? If you don't want to get too close to me, there's 2 cameras set up in the bedrooms. Go close to them, show yourself if it's possible, or speak into the microphone. Or if you do want to be up here with me, move one of the many tools on the floor. Yeah guys, I think we've done all we can here. I've done all I can on alone, and I think it's time to leave this one. But we hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, please drop the like button, hit the like button, subscribe and leave us a comment. Thank you guys, and goodbye.